This Amway home product demonstration will be performed by Associate Scientist Brian Turner. To perform this demonstration, you will need SA8 All Fabric Bleach, 1 Amway Home Squirt Bottle, hot water, 1 nylon or polyester carpet remnant, grape juice, 1 small spoon, a measuring cup, and a funnel. The purpose of this demonstration is to show the stain removal capabilities of SA8 All Fabric Bleach. First, measure 1 small spoonful of SA8 All Fabric Bleach and add it to the squirt bottle using the funnel. Next, measure 500 milliliters of hot tap water and add it to the bottle using the funnel. Stir or swirl the bottle until the SA8 All Fabric Bleach has dissolved. Put the cap on the bottle. Now place the carpet remnant on a hard surface and spill a small amount of grape juice onto the carpet. Allow the stain to soak into the carpet. Next, squirt the stain with the SA8 All Fabric Bleach solution until it disappears. This demonstration shows that Amway Home SA8 All Fabric Bleach will remove tough stains like wine or grape juice from carpet.